So I'm sure over the past few years you've come across terms like crypto, Bitcoin, and trading repeatedly. And maybe you even heard of some people making $1,000 per day just by trading. Maybe you've even heard of how some people have up to 5 Bitcoins, which is almost $350,000 right now. And here you are, looking for a way to join in on the action, escape the matrix, and finally be financially free. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Viewers should consult a financial advisor. Well, in this video, I'm going to explain everything to you, from what crypto is to how you can also start trading and make money too. But before we can learn how to trade, we need to understand what crypto is, because this will set the foundation for everything else. Cryptocurrency is basically digital money that exists only in electronic form on computers and the internet. Crypto uses special codes and encryption, which makes it extremely hard for anyone to steal or tamper with your money. But unlike regular money controlled by governments or banks, cryptocurrency operates on its own network of computers. This means there's no single person or organization in charge of it. There are more than 1,000 different types of cryptocurrencies, but the most common one is Bitcoin, also known as digital gold, which is the first cryptocurrency created. We also have Ethereum and Litecoin, but let's not get into that now. The crypto market operates every single hour of the day, so you can trade at any time. But the market is very volatile though, and can be affected by news events or rumors, so you need to be very careful when trading. Now that we know the common basics of crypto, let's talk about trading. To trade crypto, you'll need to choose a reliable and secure trading platform or exchange. Popular cryptocurrency exchanges include Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and Bitfinex, and they vary based on factors such as fees, security features, and available cryptocurrencies. But I'll advise you to choose Coinbase or Binance when starting out. Once you have your trading platform, the next thing to do is set up your trading account. Complete the necessary verification procedures, such as identity verification and account authentication. Then secure your account with two-factor authentication and strong passwords to protect it from unauthorized access. Then you can go ahead and fund your account. And I'd suggest you start with $100 if you're just a beginner. As a beginner, you need to invest money that doesn't mean a lot to you, money that you're not afraid of losing. Next, you need to develop a trading strategy. Day traders, for example, aim to profit from short-term price movements within a single trading day, while swing traders hold positions for several days or weeks to capture medium-term trends. Position traders take a long-term approach, holding positions for months or even years. So, you should choose what strategy is best for you and your goals. Now that you have a good strategy, you can start trading. You want to invest $50 in Ethereum and $50 in Bitcoin. Congratulations, you're officially an investor. But that's not all. If you would like to see quicker progress and learn faster, I'd suggest you invest at least 5% of what you make every week and split that into Bitcoin and Ethereum. So, if you make $1,000 a week, you'd split $25 into Bitcoin and $25 into Ethereum. Now you need to monitor your trades daily. And it is very important to stay disciplined. If you say you're going to trade $20 today and you end up losing everything, don't go trade $20 more. Learn from your failures and improve next time. Mastering how to trade crypto takes time, but if you're disciplined every day, you can learn quickly from your mistakes and start seeing profitable returns very quickly. You should stay up to date with the news, market, and trends. Now, if you want to trade more efficiently as a beginner, I suggest you use Binance Bots Trading. These bots can analyze huge amounts of data, and they can help you identify trends and opportunities that a lot of people will miss. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can use bot trading platforms to analyze the market and make trades based on your trading strategies, removing the need for you to monitor your trades 24/7. If you want to learn more of the easiest ways to make money online, hit the subscribe button.